So this next quick tip is just a quick talk about background colours when you're working in After Effects and putting a background colour at the back of your composition. What a lot of people tend to do is start a new composition in here, and they immediately, if they're new to After Effects, see this item down here called background colour. So they immediately assume if I click on that, great stuff, I can pick a colour in here, like that blue, click OK down here, and I've now got my new composition, and it's going to have a nice blue background, and it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. That blue background that you're looking at there really is a simulation which helps you, for example, when you're working with edges on things like alpha channels, that kind of stuff, and helps you simulate a background colour if you plan to take this elsewhere. It can be turned on and off on the composition background colour as well. So down here, just next to where it says active camera, you can click on that little icon there, and it sets it back to the transparency grid if you do want to simulate on that. So what I'm going to do is turn that off temporarily, so we're not seeing it, and then just show you how to do one properly. Now, you've got a couple of options. You could grab something like the rectangle tool up here and put a large frame in there. But probably the easiest one is to just right-click down here and go to New and just do a new solid colour. And we'll click in there. We'll pick out the colour we want. So I can click here and I can go in there and pick a different colour if I want a different colour. Click OK. It's already set to composition size, but if it's not, you could click on Make Comp Size there and it will make it the same size as the composition. Click OK here, and what it's done is it's dropped in this solid down here, and you can see on there it's actually in there for the length of the composition, for the duration of the composition, and it's dropped it into a new folder up here called Solids as well. So it's available to me up there as well. And this will actually render out. So when I output this at the end, you will see this. It will come through on the render, and it will be part of my composition. So if you've been having trouble with this and you've been struggling to get a background colour in there, hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you. And if you've found that useful, then please don't forget to give us a like. Thanks.